How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market, and I have to make another video on ticker NVDA, NVDA, because I was harping at it. Today was the day to make massive money on puts. And I want to show you guys my exact system, what you're looking at, describe everything, and just kind of tell you why I was so confident in this put side play. And before I get into the video, do keep in mind when I was mentioning this, I have a premium Discord where I show my daily thoughts, and you also get my trade alerts and a setup video on how to do this system to a T. And I'll put that link to my YouTube comments and description below. And it's only $6, guys. And this trade alone would have made you thousands of dollars, and probably could have took the whole trading year off for just this one trade, right? So let's go talk about NVIDIA. A lot of people were giving me kind of crap. They're like, yeah, this thing's never going down. I called the top on SMCI. I'm going to call the top on NVIDIA. And I'm going to show you guys, actually, in my Discord. I'm going to search NVIDIA and just kind of give you guys saying I'm not, full of crap. This was the day I was telling that we're gonna see some puts on this thing. Let me see. All right, right here. Right here is where I called it when it was bright green. When it was super green. I'm gonna jump to it right in here. So NVIDIA looks overdone to the upside, and I should get a correction. This was at 9:40, 9:48 a.m. And then I was saying doing put play right on there. So yeah, that's me calling it out, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly why I liked it, because this is the main reason. Because everything that this strat does, a lot of the things has to do, right? So when you're looking at a daily channel, this is the daily channel. I actually want to go to the weekly first. When you're looking at the daily or weekly, yeah, the top band is your sell band. The blue band is where price has to go back to. It will. It always does. And that is the most important thing with this strat. And then the bottom band is your green band. So whenever the weekly, for overbought stocks, things tend to squeeze when it's over my red band, and that's when I look for a short. But do keep in mind, a lot of these are going to be false signals, so you want to look at, one, this KDJ. Higher the K, the better. I look for over 90, and then the daily has to confirm with the pattern of the weekly. So if the weekly was over, then we look at the daily to see if that's over too. And then the next thing is time distance. That is the number one important thing, is time distance. As you can see, right here is the middle band touch. I said it has to touch the middle band, in every price history in the daily. And I have a recording, anything over a month that has not touched the middle band is on high alert for me to, one, buy it if it hasn't hit the middle band, if it's at the green band, or two, short it if it's way up here and hasn't hit the middle band. So as you can see, price moves in ways every time it's hitting the middle band, so you can capitalize on things that are overextended or not extended. Like right in here, you have a gap of the middle band. Right in here, price touches it and then goes down to a T, making massive gains, and then goes down. So right in here is a sell signal, right? But there's a lot of things I have to look at. I do not just go straight into if it hits red or green band, I buy or sell. That's not how this works. There's a lot of things I have to look to. So right in here, it touches middle band. I alerted and made a YouTube video on this candle at 214, or actually it was this one, 212, because price was going up above this red band, and then the weekly confirmed it too, that it was above it, and then sure enough, we get a nice correction from this bounce rate or drawdown, because look at the gap we haven't touched. So I got confirmations in this area to accumulate massive puts, and guess what? Price went down and touched the middle band, making massive gains, if you guys know how options work, right? And then guess what? We have another thing of a gap, but this time we were seeing a big weekly candle to the upside. As you can see, when there's this much gap above a red band, that means it's going to get shorted, and the shorts are going to love this type of trade. I did this the same with SMCI. I waited till that weekly candle was way above, and guess what? We got a nice short opportunity right there. And then looking at the daily, it was above it too, and then it was above it too right in here. So this is all accumulation zone for puts right in here, and we get a massive 5% gain, and we're still going down as we speak pre-market, guys. So that's the system. There you got your weekly, your daily, and your time distance. This reversal strategy, like I said, works to a T. A little bit about it. I've been doing it for 6 years, back tested it, and made me consistently in the money, or making me consistent profits, right? Because a lot of people are freaking out. You know, they're like, okay, I'm just going to keep buying calls. Well, today all your calls are done, and they're zero. They're not coming back here for, you know, probably for some time, because now we just had earnings. This is what made it up. They're just done. You know, you lose all that. The put sides are going to win. The side that nobody wanted to take is definitely going to win massive. And a lot of people are just thinking this thing goes up forever. Yes, I get it. I like to be a bull, but I also like to play both sides of the coin, right? When there is something this overextended, and when I see this strategy telling me this is definitely a put side trade, I'm going to take the put side on it. I don't want to take the put side when it's already going down like this, right? Because the problem is now, look at the distance from the blue band to here. There is not as much to gain. What if we get a little rebound, and then my puts, you know, can be kind of toast, and it's like freaking me out. I want to take the trade up in here when the daily's above, the weekly's above, and there's a big distance from the middle band, because I know the middle band's going to touch just like this to a T, just like this to a T. You know, you're always getting this middle band touched. The best gains are when you have big gaps of not getting touched. Those are the best type of gains, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video, and if you guys really want to get the full strategy and also get my trade alerts and all that of where one trade could have honestly made you quit trading, quit the whole year off, and this is the kind of trades like that love it. These are really good. This is a really good reversal system. I do not like sharing a system unless I back tested for a very long time, and myself has been successful doing it. I feel very confident if you guys follow the strict guidelines, my strict rules, and exactly how I'd like to take my trades, you will be a profitable trader too. NVDA was the hype today of the put play. A lot of people got scared because it was going green. It just made it more of a put side play, and it was just massive accumulation on that, right, guys? So I discussed the strategy. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, like I said, it's only $6 a month. And the reason why I do that mainly, because I know a lot of people charge hundreds of dollars, thousands, and especially if I'm giving my own trade alerts that made me successful, I could charge a lot more. But I know a lot of people don't have the account sizes to trade, you know, to trade and then pay massive fees. To me, it's just not right. Netflix doesn't charge hundreds of dollars, and you know, the community as it grows, we're growing fast. We're over 1,000 members total. So yes, I believe if there is an edge, people like it. There's over 90% win ratio on this strat, so it's very good. I think you're gonna love it. You're gonna get my exact trade alerts, which is gonna be in here when I post it, and then you get my setup video where I talk about little education stuff, and the main one is how to set it up your chart like mine, and I go in a full-length video of how to go over it, right? So yeah, that's the premium Discord. I put a lot of time into it. I'm in here all the time, so you can pick at my brain. We have a lot of people in here that are good traders too, that, you know, share things every day. If you guys want to join, go down to the YouTube comments in the description, and what will happen is you'll click a link that'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it will take you into this free chat area. And once you get in the free chat, just click premium chat, and you'll be directed to be opted into a subscription of only $6. And if you do it on your computer, it is slightly cheaper because it avoids the iOS fee. So do keep that in mind, guys. And also, guys, if you like this video and you want to, if you want to help me out, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about NVIDIA and the system, or whatever you have in mind. That'll help the algorithm share it to other retail traders just like you. And I look forward to the next trade monster trade just like this one, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.